We know the Nashville area is a great place to live. That's why we're here. Well, others seem to have gotten the same message. New research from Vanderbilt uncovering why people were moving so much and setting their destinations here during the pandemic. News 2's Nikel Smith takes a look at how COVID lockdowns and lifestyle guys pushed people to make the move.
Packing up and moving out. The COVID-19 pandemic impacting almost every aspect of our lives, including where we choose to live.
This idea of how much remote work is going to stay is really the key determinant.
Vanderbilt University researcher Peter Haslag digging into the data about what prompted people to relocate since COVID-19 moved in. They looked at years of data from more than 300,000 interstate moves, including Middle Tennessee.
People were moving less for jobs and more for lifestyle reasons.
And he says that mindset differs based on household income, with higher paying jobs being more likely to offer remote working options, so people are not tied to a city solely because of their paycheck.
It brings about this idea that maybe there's this kind of democratization of location, so you can really free yourself and live where you want to live.
A freedom he says some people may have been yearning for over the years, and strict COVID regulations were the breaking point.
But I want to say, 5% of people were saying that, look, this is too much. We can't go outside, we can't enjoy things, and so we're going to move. Which is it's a very costly thing to do for something that should be seen as temporary. But I think a lot of people saw it as kind of the last straw in a political system that they weren't comfortable with. And so
the question now is whether these moves will have long-term implications for places like Middle Tennessee.
There are still definitely people moving to Davidson County, but there are more people moving to Williamson County. So nationally, Williamson County was 7th and 12th in the amount of net growth in our data.
He says based on that data, they do expect to see continued real estate growth in Middle Tennessee, including suburbs of Nashville. Reporting in Nashville, Nikel Smith, News 2.
Researchers, by the way, hope to help public health experts understand how a pandemic can impact where people decide to move and then live.